Okay, to all pioneers out there, watch this video. This video will make you smile. Okay, Forbes is a renowned global media company that specializes in business investing, technology, entrepreneurship, leadership, and lifestyle. So it also has the Forbes 400 and the world's billionaires list. So this site is legit and updated on current events, especially on technology and yeah. Okay, here I am now on the official website of Forbes.com/digital etc. This is the official website. As you can see, there are moving crypto here. So, you know what? Let me drag, okay? Drag ko na lang. I will drag to make it faster. Okay. Look at that, guys, oh. Oh, I'm moving it, oh. Left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So, Pi Network, it has a worth of $51.92. I don't know why Pi Network is here, but it seems that Forbes acknowledges Pi Network as a rising crypto in the crypto world. So that's it, guys. See you soon on Open Mainnet.